Hey y'all, my name's Kathy Jo, and right now I have a wreath form. It is the biggest one they have at the Dollar Tree. It's 12 inches, and I'm taking 10mm nautical rope. It's 11.1 feet, and I'm gonna glue it and wrap it completely around this wreath form. What I'm making here is called a life buoy, but I always call it a life raft, even though it's not a raft. Lifesaver, that's a piece of candy. Anyway, so I cut 4 pieces at 32 inches to wrap this around here 4 times. I'm doing north, south, east, west, or 12, 3, 6, 9, whichever way you prefer. And I took them outside, I spray painted them midnight blue. And there's a little sign I got from the Dollar General. It was only like 25 cents. And I cut out the jute twine, and I added cotton twine, and I broke popsicle stick in half, and I glued it to the back, and to hold the sign on, attached to the string, obviously, and there you go. Beyond the sea. I think it's cute. Oh, well, right here, I'm painting beads, and what I did is I painted those ocean, and I painted that black ocean, and I spray painted some white ones, and I repainted over the salmon coral ones a mineral. So I had 3 beads, and there I am beading my jute twine. I'm gonna run through my little door plaque there. I believe that's what they call them, a door decorator. And I cut off a little chain on my cricket. It says summer breeze and palm trees. And I'm just gonna glue that on and wrap that twine around. I'm sorry if I talk really fast. I'm nervous. This is my first video. Nice to meet you all. Please like and subscribe if you do like. Just throwing this together here. I think this is the slowest part of the entire video. I don't even know if you get to hear any music. I've been talking so much. So right here, I'm going to make a little tassel. I just took blue and white ribbon, cut it in half with some jute twine and cotton cord, and glued it on that bead, wrapped it around there, and here in a second, you will see that this project is done. I had 6 total, but I can only get the 2 loaded. I'm having some problems right now with editing. There it is. Summer breeze and palm trees. I think it's adorable. I do. So here it all is on the end. I didn't have time to set up a vignette because I'd taken everything down. But I think these are cute. And again, my name is Kathy Jo. Nice to meet y'all.